front door. This is, you know, when you walk in, this little hardwood floor. I love it. So this is the front door. And over here in this door right here is my washer and dryer. He just brought it in for me and set it up for me. You know, been awesome. I'm not renting these washer and dryers because I'm not, you know, about to spend $300 on a washer and dryer right now. So I'm renting them for right now. Until I can, you know, until I want to purchase, you know, my own. But I'm renting them, so oh well. It's cheap. So yeah, so this is my washer and dryer. You know, it got room in it, you know. Enough, it's just enough for me and my boyfriend. So I'm gonna take out in the kitchen. So you come over here in this little area over here from the door, and it's the washer and dryer. Leaves the kitchen. This is the living room. I'll show y'all that in a minute. But right here is the is the kitchen right here. I'm just gonna brighten it up for y'all. Ooh, it's too much light. Okay, it's coming down right here. Okay, so this is the kitchen right here. You know, just something. They just finished painting. My partner got some more paint on me. They just finished painting in here, and I already got paint on me. See, look, y'all. It's got paint on me already. So this is the kitchen. Got a little area I can put stuff, decorations on or whatever. Got cabinets, you know, white appliances. You know, I love it. It's white, you know. You can't go wrong with white. I love the granite tops. So I always wanted darker countertops, granite tops. Because like you spill something, you know, really can't tell. So this is the stove. I'm gonna have to brighten it down some, y'all, because the window is behind us. So got good light in here. So I got a lot of windows in here, y'all. So this is the stove. The scene, they just finished painting like I was saying. So, and then she left me a little snack. So I did drink some water because I was hot. You know, it's my, you know, my bag and keys and stuff like that. And I have window, cabinets, dishwasher, and over here is my favorite part of the house, because y'all, I fell in love with this part because I never had a place I could put a in my other house. I didn't have a place to put a table at, so now I do. So, you know, so yeah. So I'm gonna put a little table here. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure I'm gonna put a table here, or I might put my stepdaughter play area here. Now I'm not sure yet, but I'll figure out something. But until then, this is gonna be her play area when she come. So yeah. So this is the windows. It's like I need to fix them because they, like I said, they did have them power up because they were doing the painting and stuff. So I love this right here too. Also, I'm gonna do it turns on. I'm not sure, it might be the other light, but they have it taped up. I had to take the tape off of it because, you know, yeah. Got another, I love this kind of spot right here too. Y'all, it's got a lot of counter space, y'all, and I love it. Yes, I love it. So this is a fridge. Y'all, I finally got an ice maker. I never had an ice maker. But I did in my college apartment, but not in my house, my old house that I'm moving from. It's the refrigerator. You know, it's white. You know, I'm simple. Nothing in there right now because I go back to the other house and get the food that I had in my refrigerator. Yeah. Hopefully y'all can see. You know, I'm trying to, you know, hold the camera right, but I'm using my phone at the moment. So right here, when you leave the dining area, whatever you want to call it, and the kitchen is the living space, the living room. So yeah, my bed is right. They just leave my mattress and my TV in my bed frame, but I told them to put the bed and the TV right here for them right now because my boyfriend is bringing the bed frame. So you know, there's no need to be putting the mattress on the bed, but the bed frame, the box spring is not up there yet because the box spring go first and then the mattress. So waiting on them to come to get the box spring, then I can put the mattress up there. So And it's so soft, y'all. It's so soft. Yeah, I love it. I had to get a new mattress because y'all, I was about to get tired of the other one. So yeah, this is the little room. And y'all have a outdoor too. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see. I have a lot of windows in here, y'all, like I was saying. So I'm gonna get over here so y'all can see. I have a little place to put my purse at or whatever I can wanna. Oops, and it's got paint on it and I done touched it. Only me. Anyways, yeah. So this is how it look, guys. I had to brighten up some for you. I got a fireplace, but I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be using it because I don't use fireplaces. So I might have the TV mounted up there. If not the TV mount, if I don't have the TV mounted there, it's gonna be somewhere. It's not sure yet, but it's gonna be somewhere. Okay, guys, yeah. So I'm not sure it's gonna be right. It might be there, and then have the little chair right there. I'm not sure, y'all. I will let y'all see if I'm finished house tour after this video, like for like a week from now, whatever. But yeah, it's a nice space, you know. I love it. You can walk out this one, just go in this door and go out this door in this area. I love it, y'all. It's just so amazing, and I love the complex that I'm in. They so friendly. It's like they make me feel welcome and everything. It's what drew me to them. So this is my patio, my outdoors. We do got trash cans. They give us trash cans so that, you know, we can they can take our trash out for us. We just put it by the door and they just, you know. And this is my room. I'm gonna show you in a minute. And then we got a pond area right out our window. So this is nice. I love it. I can just come out here, chill by the water, and just get some fresh air. Especially when I get sick, because I do get sick a lot. So I can just go out there and get some fresh air, you know. So yeah. So this is, I think it's for the hallway. What is the other lights for? I'm trying to figure out. So this is the hallway right here. Oh, I might turn the light on for y'all. Give me a second. There we go. So this is the hallway. They do have tape on stuff because, like I was saying, yeah, they just finished painting. So this is the closet for the coat closet, some people call it, and then straight across, right? I can't talk today, y'all. Sorry. Straight across is the bathroom area. It is one bathroom. I'm gonna have to change the light out into white lights, cause you know us YouTubers don't like yellow lights, we like white. So those all we changed to white lights. Have the tub. You know, something simple, just simple stuff. That's all. So out of here, we can go right in our room. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna open the door. There we go. So you come out the bathroom. We can go in there. We can come in the bathroom and from our room also. So you leave out in the bathroom and go in here. Right here is my vanity. This is me, y'all. A little rough. Do not mind me. But yes, y'all. It's amazing. So I'll be doing makeup and stuff there. This is the closet. The bulb must be below, so I'm gonna get my boyfriend and change the bulbs out for the closet. So this is the closet. You know, nice for us. We're gonna make it work for right now. And right here from the vanity is our room. Y'all see the new bed, my new bed I have. It's like a tan color. It matches the walls perfectly because the wall is like a Okay, I got paint around me. But the walls like a tan color also, so it was nice. So yeah, this is my new bed. And this is the room. So I'm gonna get y'all sitting over by the window so y'all can see from over here. We don't have light in our room. I got lamps and stuff for us, you know. So yeah. So this is the room, y'all. I hope y'all like, you know, a house tour. You know, I try to do the best I can, but I'm gonna do another one with furniture. But I'm trying to like rush this video, so when they get here, I can go outside and show them where to come, because they don't know. I did pick the apartment out. My boyfriend didn't come because he was working, so I picked out everything, so he haven't seen it yet. So yeah, I did show him videos and stuff, but he haven't seen it physically. But okay, guys, so thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for my next video for the furniture tour. And also subscribe and like this video for more videos. And thank y'all for watching. Okay, toodles.